Let's talk about something that makes a lot of small business owners in the UK just groan. Corporation tax. But what if I told you that you could file your company's accounts and tax return in less time than it takes to brew a pot of coffee? Seriously, let's dive in and see how.
You know the feeling, right? That pit in your stomach when the deadline is looming, you're hunting down the right forms, trying to make sense of all the jargon, and just terrified you're going to make a mistake. It's a huge administrative headache that pulls you away from what you should be doing, actually running your business.
And look, you're not alone in feeling this way. This quote from David Brewerton just hits the nail on the head. When a system you're used to, even a clunky one, is about to disappear, yeah, your blood runs cold. You're suddenly pushed into this intimidating world of expensive, complicated software. It's a real worry for so many people.
And this isn't some problem for way down the road. It's happening. HMRC's free service is officially closing its doors. That means thousands upon thousands of limited companies are going to need a new plan. The clock is absolutely ticking on this.
Okay, so that's the stressful part. But here's the thing. This change could actually be a good thing. An opportunity even. As one user put it so perfectly, tax doesn't have to be taxing. And that is the whole idea behind the solution we're looking at today, Zero-T Tiny Tax. So, what is it exactly? Well, to put it simply, Zero-T Tiny Tax is software that's officially recognized by HMRC. It's built to do two things really well. Create your digital accounts in that special IXBRL format for Companies House and file your CT600 corporation tax return directly to HMRC.
So, does it actually live up to that promise of being simple? You bet. It all boils down to a super straightforward, three-step process.
Okay, check this out. Step 1, you just search for your company name. That's it. The software finds you and pulls in all your details from Companies House automatically, so no tedious data entry. Step 2, you pop in your profit and loss and balance sheet numbers. And finally, step 3, you give it a quick review, and with one click, it's submitted to both authorities. Done. It's really that easy.
And how long does this take? This is the best part. According to actual users, the whole thing is done in less than 5 minutes. A job that used to eat up hours or even days of your life, now finished before your tea gets cold.
All right, I know what you're thinking. That sounds great, but what about the really hard part? The actual tax calculation. That's where things always get messy and super stressful.
You know the old way, right? You're wrestling with spreadsheets, trying to figure out complicated stuff like marginal relief, which, by the way, is just a reduced tax rate for companies with profits in a certain range. With Tiny Tax, you don't even have to think about it. It's all automated. It handles all those complex calculations for you, and it shows you exactly how it worked it out. No accounting degree needed.
And the smart features just keep coming. If you're a Xero user, you can connect your account and import your data directly. Boom, even faster. It handles that dual submission to HMRC and Companies House in one go. But it's also super flexible. Let's say you only need to file your accounts, or just your tax return. You can do that too. You only use and pay for what you actually need.
Look, it's one thing for me to sit here and tell you how simple this is. But what really matters is what real people running real businesses are saying every day. Let's hear from a few of them.
Richard Thomas just nails it. Absolutely perfect and so easy to use. And he points out that Xero integration, calling it a breeze. That's what you want to hear. Then there's Shade Adekoria, who calls it a literal lifesaver. I love this one because she highlights not just how easy it is, but how affordable it is. And that is absolutely crucial for startups, community interest companies, and other small outfits. And this one from Evangelos Raptis really brings it all home. He started out in that same place of dread we talked about, and he ended up with the fastest and easiest submission ever. That's the transformation we're talking about, from total tax stress to total tax simplicity.
Now, it's not just for individual business owners. What if you're an accountant or a bookkeeper? Well, this software is also built to make your life a whole lot easier too. For all you pros out there, there's a multi-client dashboard so you can manage all your clients in one clean interface. You can import trial balances straight from Excel or a CSV to get returns ready in a snap. And with features like multi-user access and really affordable annual plans, it's designed to make your firm's year-end process way more efficient.
So you might be wondering, okay, who is this actually for? It's designed specifically for UK micro-entities and small businesses. To qualify, your company just has to meet 2 of these 3 conditions: a turnover under £1 million, a balance sheet under $500,000, or fewer than 10 employees. It's absolutely perfect for freelancers, contractors, and most single-director companies. And of course, the big one. Is it secure? Is it compliant? Yes, 100%. The whole thing is built to government specifications. When you click that Submit button, your data goes directly through the official, secure government gateways for both HMRC and Companies House. It's totally locked down and legit.
So, with that deadline for HMRC's old service getting closer and closer, the real question is, are you ready to turn what used to be your most dreaded task into something you can knock out in just a few minutes? The tools are here and they're making it a reality for small businesses all over the UK.